Hello, Chef here. So I'm in one of the kitchens and I've got a large function tonight. We're going to be doing some very good prime rib, as well as many other courses. This is one of the items we're going to be using, and this right here is a dry rub. There's about 40 ingredients in here. This is looking really, really good. And I'm adding one last essential ingredient, which is hard to get, hard to find. One of the rare pepper powders. Oh, yeah, this is ají amarillo, and it comes from the southwest of the United States. But you have to get the really good stuff. There's so much quality variance out there, it's crazy. So this is going to be really good. We call this the Southwest seasoning rub, and this will be rubbed all over the prime ribs before they're seared and then slow cooked to perfection. So if you need anything like this, or you're looking for spices and herbs that are high quality, visit the sponsor. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.